Sound check, 1, 2.
So, what they say about you filming and shooting, man?
Huh?
What the people say about you?
Oh yeah, man. I got like a heck of like follows and stuff. Like people been following me and stuff on Instagram, cause like they we like you can record on Instagram now and stuff. So like I just been recording. People been following me from left and right and stuff, and like on Facebook, people like probably I think I got over 30 something likes. I'm like, that's probably the most I've gotten on any picture or anything. You feel me?
I've
So
seen
I'm
the
like,
picture you sent out.
I know, man.
Can I have you kind of look this way?
Put the cup.
Yeah,
Cup.
there you go. So, just, yeah, and Brian's gonna be right here. So, over here, Brian. So you can look at Brian instead of the camera.